Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see what is a mutual fund, what are the types of mutual fund, what are the risks involved in mutual fund, how you can analyze and choose a best mutual fund, and what is the best way to make money in mutual fund. We are going to see all about this in this video. So, without getting late, let's get started. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and click that like button. What is a mutual fund? Consider mutual fund as person X. Now there are 10 other persons. All these 10 persons have some money. All of them want to make money by investing their money in some place. They want to get high return when compared to bank fixed deposit or savings account. But all these 10 persons don't have technical knowledge about stock market or giving loans to big companies. Now this person X have high technical knowledge in stock market. What these 10 persons can do is they can give their money to this person. Assume each person have 5,000 rupees and 5,000 into 10 gives 50,000. So the person X will now have 50,000 rupees. Now this person have high technical knowledge, so he can invest this money either in stock market or he can give this money to big companies as loans for fixed return, or he can put some money in stock market and some money as loans. So this is how mutual fund works. Mutual fund is an intermediary. It collects amount from many persons, and as a whole it will invest this money in some places like stock market, or they can give loans to big companies, or they can invest some money in stock market and some money in loans. Mainly there are three types of mutual funds. One is equity, second one is debt, the other one is hybrid. Equity mutual fund means the mutual fund will invest all their money in stock market. Second one is debt mutual fund. In this, the mutual fund will use their money to provide loans to big companies. Third one is hybrid. In hybrid mutual fund, the mutual fund house will invest some money in stock market and they will spend the balance amount to give loans to big companies. Every business has a risk, right? Let us see what is the risk involved in mutual fund with an example. Assume you are a person, you are having 100 rupees and you are giving 100 rupees to the mutual fund. What this mutual fund does is, this mutual fund invests your money in stock market. For your 100 rupees, the mutual fund has bought one share of the company XYZ. Now, due to the economic crisis, the stock price goes down to 20 rupees. So the mutual fund has invested 100 rupees. Now it has come down to 20 rupees. So it has lost 80 rupees. But the lost 80 rupees is not made by mutual fund because the amount is given by you. So there is a possibility that you can lose your money. Assume the second possibility, the mutual fund is using your money to give loan to big companies. Due to some economical problem or due to internal problem, the company fails to repay the debt. So in that case also there is a risk that you may lose some money. How to check mutual fund list? Go to this website grow.in and scroll down and click mutual funds and click explore mutual funds, and now go to see all mutual funds, and now you can see all the mutual funds. Here you can see what are the mutual fund available like Axis Bank, Edelweiss, Franklin Templeton, HDFC, IDBI, etc. And you can see what are the categories like equity, debt, hybrid. Also they have provided what is the risk attached with each mutual fund. Also you can see fund size and what are the types of investment we can do, one time lump sum or SIP monthly. You can check this website to check what are the mutual funds available. Now, what is the best way to make money in mutual fund? There are two types of investment that you can make in mutual fund. One is lump sum, the second one is SIP. In lump sum, you will invest all your money in one go. If you have 5,000, you will invest all your 5,000 in one go. In SIP, you will invest systematically. Like, for example, if you have 5,000, you will invest 500 every month for 10 months. At the end, you will be spending 5,000 in mutual fund. But what is the difference? What is the advantage and what are the disadvantages? There are only two possibilities that can happen in a market. Either it can go up or it can go down. Assume if you have taken lump sum and if you have invested 5,000 rupees in one go, and if the market goes up, your profit goes up. If the market goes down, your profit will go down. So it is like a do or die. If you do systematic investment, if you are investing 500 rupees a month for 10 months, then if the market goes up, you will buy when it goes up, and even if the market corrects, you will buy at the dips. So as a whole, at the end, you have invested an average amount in the mutual fund, and you would have made a good profit. That's why most of the professionals are preferring SIP over lump sum. SIP will be very useful for very low capital persons. If you are a working person, then and you can save only 500 rupees or 1000 rupees a month, then you can invest your 500 rupees or 1000 rupees every month. How to analyze and choose the best mutual fund? There are nearly 7 to 10 factors that you should consider while analyzing mutual fund, like exit load, entry load, the capital of the mutual fund, the rolling return, the yearly return, etc. like that. So you need to consider all these 7 to 10 factors. I cannot cover all these 7 to 10 factors in this video. So what I'm going to do is I will make a separate video on how to analyze mutual fund. If you want to know how to analyze a mutual fund, just subscribe to our channel. As already said, there are three types of mutual fund: equity, debt, and hybrid. And there are some internal divisions in these sectors. There are nearly 7 to 10 factors that you should know to analyze a mutual fund. And I will be coming up with another video on how to analyze mutual fund this week. So if you want to know about this, just subscribe to our channel. And in that video, I will suggest 5 to 10 mutual funds that you can consider investing. Thank you for watching.